What's up, guys? It's your boy Jackknife 2000. When I'm out here again, it's hot as hell here in Missouri, and right now we're going down the road and we're about to jump into this water and get you guys some underwater footage. Welcome to Underwater Adventures. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we are. We're gonna get some underwater footage here. It's nice and clear. We're gonna go ahead and jump inside this water down here. I'm gonna get you down in there. We're gonna go check out another section now. Oh shit. Almost busted my ass. We're gonna check out another section of this bad boy, hoping that we can see some fish, snakes, or anything of that nature, guys. So let's do this. Alright, guys, we're in a pretty big area here. As you guys can see, there's Joey, my main man. Hold on, let me clear this off. My main man Joey right there, chillaxing. And look at what we got under here, guys. We got a pair of sunglasses. Me sideways, it's called. Guys, we have walked pretty much this whole thing. There's some dark areas that I don't want to walk in without being able to see where my foot's going. Water moccasins, to be exact. Alright, so we're going to go down here and ask if anyone knows where these glasses belong. Look, guys, a crawdad. Right there. There he is. Those little guys are quick. Those little guys are pretty quick. They got away. But we did get to see them for a little bit, so hey, cool. See if we can find the other one. Well, that's all over here, folks. We're gonna go down the road and see if we can find something else, and then we're gonna be out of here. All right, guys, I'm about to show you some tadpoles that this being killed. They're almost brought. Now, those tadpoles are mid-stage, which means that they're going to become frogs very, very soon. So, yeah, mid-transformation. Seen a lot of wildlife out here today. All right, guys, here we have a dead crawfish. I'll show you. Look how big that is. How big he was, guys. Huge. Now, if we could find one like that, that would be excellent. Alright, so I'm not going to get super close here, guys, but and the dangers that I was telling you about, you got to watch where you're stepping, because right over there, my friends, there's a water moccasin, as you guys can see. My black ass ain't about to get close to that shit. As you guys can see right there, that is a water moccasin, guys. And I'm with that. Nah, I'm out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this adventure me and Joey and you guys went on today. This is Underwater Adventures, and I'll see you guys next time. Say peace. Peace. Come on, let it out.